In this brief video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Chat Now option. This will only really work at its best if you are using Fusion between 1:30 PM to 6 PM local time, because this works in the UK from 7:30 AM to 12 PM in the UK. However, this is another way of hopefully solving a problem there and then if our hours correlate to UK time. So I'm going to go ahead and give an example of this. So I leave my name and leave my email address, subject. My issue is that MLTV room will not appear in one of my classrooms. And then in the message just say it in a little bit more detail. In my classes, I have a class titled EPA Teachers MLTV Playroom. I have tried to set up an MLTV room in this classroom, but it does not appear once I have set it up. Please, can you look into this ASAP? Thanks. Sign off, title it perhaps, let them know who you are, although they should know from your account. And that is what you have to do to hopefully have something solved there and then. I'm going to leave a message here because I am actually doing this video in the evening, so it will leave a message, but I won't get a return on it in real time. And that's how you use the chat option. There you go, confirms, thank you, your message has been sent, our support team will contact you soon. Done.